Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily transfer money between your Venmo account and bank. First, open your Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged in to access your account. From the home screen, locate the menu option usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Tap on this menu icon to reveal a list of options. Look for the Transfer to Bank or similar option in the menu. Select this option to initiate the process of transferring funds from your Venmo account to your linked bank account. You may need to verify your identity or enter your passcode for security purposes. Once you have accessed the transfer feature, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure you double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Next, choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Make sure the bank account details are accurate to prevent any delays in the transfer process. After confirming the amount and the bank account details, proceed to initiate the transfer. Depending on your bank, the transfer may take some time to reflect in your bank account. Be patient and check your bank account for the incoming transfer. To transfer money from your bank to your Venmo account, follow a similar process. Access your bank's mobile app or website and log into your account. Look for the option to transfer funds or make a payment. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Venmo account. Then, enter Venmo's account details, including the recipient's name and Venmo username. Double-check the information for accuracy. Review and confirm the transfer details before submitting the transaction. Once the transfer is successful, the funds will appear in your Venmo account. And there you have it. Transferring money between Venmo and your bank is a simple process that can be done quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.